Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another trading session. Today we'll be speaking about scalping mainly. All right, I want to check the sound and everything. Um, Pretty nice price action lately, I have to say. I really enjoyed scalping this one. Um, and we had really nice trades. Price behaved perfectly as I was expecting from a bullish environment. And we did manage to make some nice profits. Um, But you know me, I mean, I really enjoy to be playing level by level. I'm not that sort of moon boy to be saying that we go to 1,200. I saw 120,000 actually. I saw it this morning, and when I saw that, I was like, oh, man, this game you never get tired of uh, of this kind of things because when we were at 80,000. When we were at 80,000, everyone was calling 91,000 actually. Everyone was calling for 84,000. All my timeline was, no, I'm not longing this crap here. I'm not longing this. I'm waiting for 84,000. Yeah, I'm waiting for lower, previous month lower, even quarter mid range. And look what we had. The price never went there. It bounced real nice of that weekend of manipulation. And now we sit in an area which I would see it as a clear SNR here. So I would be careful a little bit. Therefore, I took a little scalp short here. You can see Monday high deviation. Um, and I'm targeting actually weekly open. I'm not targeting Monday low. That's a little bit sus uh, to do it. 1 second, guys. I need to let's do some retweet, some activity because I see I forgot to post it even on my Discord, and um, I totally forgot to post it on Discord and retweet it. Damn. Let's take 2 minutes and do some activity of liking, retweeting, and stuff like that because I totally forgot to do it. Totally forgot to do it. I went directly in the plans. All right. I was really wondering why I have like 29 people. Yeah, the team is done with the likes. Thank you, Kathleen. Hey, Albert. Hey, brother. Hello. Good morning. Um, let's do a little bit of activity. Actually, I'm going to open the chat on my laptop. 1 second. Because last time it was really, man, I couldn't be on on date, like up to date with what you guys were posting on that chat. It's too fast. 1 second. There we go. All right. Everything should be fine. Quality wise, let me know if anything if anything is not all right or stuff like that. Actually, I can see everything is pretty good right now. Good morning, good morning. Hello, guys. Well, there we go. Uh, People are joining. All right. We'll be starting doing the plans as soon as everyone jumps on board. We'll be starting doing the plans. Um, Everything should be all right now. Um, Thank God the way trade. Vector, it's a nice dude. It's a very professional and on. He's a nice one. He's a nice man. Um, Lulu, I don't know if you saw what I posted on my Discord, and actually I posted on X. If you saw it, then you shouldn't ask that question, or maybe it's a question just to give it some attention. But you want to take this one and put it on your mother's fridge. Yeah, you go. If you need it, just DM me on X or Discord. Yeah, DM me and go and print this one and put it on your mother's fridge or your fridge, or you get the idea. Yeah, this answers all your questions. All right, this answers our question. Definitely, we won't have the same gains, but I mean, won't have the same gains as previously because of the dilution. That's logically, but that doesn't mean, I mean, easily a 5x to 8x is doable. So, yeah, well, if you didn't see it, just go and uh, look for it because I posted it everywhere. Um, Well, Albert, depends a lot on the strength of the market because we can see that. I mean, I already saw that a lot of people just became bullish here at 61.8, which is peak resistance, its supply. Um, but we still have room to be going higher, like previous mid range here, previous month mid, and value area high, and this supply here. So still room for going higher. But I just went with this little scalp short here just to hedge my positions. We definitely, for example, we can bounce off here, something like this, around here, this area. You can see a bounce. That's why you want to get risk-free ASAP from this position. The risk-free is one of the best things that you can do as a scalper, especially because you have a pretty big position, a chunky big position when you're trading, when you're scalping, and if you don't pay enough attention, you can end up in a pretty nasty position. Yeah. So I really don't mind shorting a little bit here. Taking a loss, I really don't mind taking a loss because it's inevitable to be taking losses. Someone in this morning was like, "Oh, you're posting all your take profits and stuff like that." No, I'm not posting your my only my take profits. If you do follow me, you'll see that I take a lot of losses. But people are biased. People don't understand this kind of things. For example, if you look here on my trading journal, you will see that I took a loss on ENA. I took a loss on a Bitcoin short, which I posted yesterday. I took a loss on Litecoin. I took a loss on Ethereum here. But man, do I care? No, because a loss it's a -1, -1, -1, while a TP it's a 2, a 2.5, a 1.8, depending on the price action, depending on what I get from the market. And I mean, for some of you, these findings might be boring to explain, but seems like it's a never-ending story of these people that are um, hunting a little bit too much your downfall. And everything that I do is transparent if you observed. Absolutely everything. There is nothing that I'm not showing. Absolutely nothing. Everything that I take is there. You see me live, and VIP, they're the ones that see absolutely everything that I'm doing. Every position that I'm opening, they see me there. All right, we had a pretty nice scalp long here on 5 minutes. It's going real nice. It's going really nice. I'm really having fun because it's relaxing, and when I want to take a little break from the markets, that's what I'm doing. And I'm really having fun. We had this long on here on Ethereum, something like this, I think. Now we took profits. Definitely you can trail the rest, but I'm really good with about, I think we had this previous one, it was, yeah, the previous one, it was this one, 5.74R. We managed to milk from the markets on this long. I'm okay with this one. Actually, I'll need to update a little bit the journals because I mean, definitely it won't be a full five because I did two partials. I took partial around here. I think I ended up with something around 3.12 from what I saw on my exchange profits because I risked an amount and then I did it around 3.12 that specific amount. So it's a 3.12 R. Trump, well, they are building liquidity. I do think that we'll get a sweep. I'm not sure when. I saw Albert ask me about that one. I do think, and I can see it easily happening. We will get a sweep of the lows, but man, that will be a long opportunity. We'll get something like this. Um, you can see it here. Um, Ethereum, I don't know. This grind is looking insanely bullish on Ethereum. It's looking like it wants to get parabolic soon. But Bitcoin, I can see this area being swept here. Yeah, at weekly mid-range and Monday mid-range, or even weekly open, I can see this area retested. Hype, I mean this long, it looks really nice. 15R, man, this kind of trades will be doing your month. It's in deep profits. So I'm long hype. I tried a long here on Sui, wasn't filled. On Tau, I have a long. I took this power of three here, reclaim. Around here, I took it. And then I was targeting this high, which is out. Let me check this part because haven't I Tau. Yeah, there you go. I can see it. All right. Everything is looking good, and man, it's getting tired when everyone was panicking here. I loaded the bags. I publicly said that a lot of people were throwing with shit in when I was saying I'm buying, I'm buying, I'm buying. Even here, I said about the swing failure of this pivot low and reclaim. The guys from Crypto are now, they know that I loaded heavily when this happened here. I loaded heavily on a lot of altcoins, and I have 17 longs running. This W here on TIA and reclaim of this previous swing low. Yeah, and I don't know how many of you remember that. I don't know. I think on VIP I mentioned about this setup. It's one of the strongest setups, which I mean, it's not necessarily a setup, it's a context because that's what I'm teaching you to create context. On this one, we are long to around here. Needs the capacity of understanding what's happening in the market. And I say that once we swing failure this pivot low, which created a new high, there is a very high probability that everything will rally like crazy. And uh, that's what we have. Let's check BMX because I'm quite bullish on BMX, really bullish on this one. I see the potential. It's insanely good. Let's see. We did a nice, man, nice swing failure here of this pivot low. And also okay, that one is not reclaimed. So this is the red line, to put it like that. There is a probability for that one to act like resistance. We already reclaimed two levels here. We have a daily W, so you can buy this neckline. 1.1. Now we have a nice GSW. It's important for us to reclaim this red line here at um, 11, but the risk to reward is very good for the long run. I mean, I can see Beam easily doing a 90 cents. That would be 0.9, yeah, 9 cents, yeah. That would be 7x from here easily. The market cap is good, the project is good, and also Cetus, I'm insanely bullish on Cetus. And we have a nice discount on Cetus. Let's get OKX. Yeah. Look at this discount. You don't tell me you're bearish here on Cetus. We just violated the monthly FEG. Yeah. And we swing failure the pivot low, which created a new high. This is one of the most bullish setups that I have in my textbook. Actually, I think it's 78.6. Yeah, it's a 78.6 tap here. You can see we swing failured. Also, if we look at from this perspective, I'm looking at around $1, which is a 7x again on Cetus from this point. I can easily see a 7x from this area, easily on across the board altcoins. But people, they are too biased on no, it will not happen, everything will go to zero. And actually, I'm really happy about that one because I'm going to tell you something. The most rewarding, the trade that gives you the most reward is the one that is not over cluttered with the majority of people. So when you see that public is not there and you don't see it to that your idea, you don't see it to encourage on X, then it's a good thing. It's a good thing because it's not crowded. And usually the outcome is exactly the opposite of what you see on the public. And here, for example, you saw everyone. Man, I can count on the fingers from one hand the people that were being bullish here. Yeah. And literally there were people saying, fuck, no, I'm done, I'm selling. And I saw people selling in DMs. I saw people, okay, I'm with minus 50%, they sold in hundreds of thousands of negative PNL. If that's not a bottom signal, I don't know what it is. And I was like, man, I don't know how to get more money to buy this market here. And it seemed like it was the right idea. Yeah, seems like it was the right thing to do. Because we had a pretty nice bounce starting off that point. Furthermore, what I like on Cetus is that it took the low from the initial dump, and now all the liquidity from that dump it's taken. That's pretty good. I have some deliveries today. The coffee dude has to bring me my coffee. All right, so let's get back into some little scalping activity. Then we can go in some altcoins. Yeah, say I loaded up Say. Stay has insanely nice level. Insanely nice. I loaded up here on Say at the blue line. Man, it's a no-brainer 5x from here. No-brainer. Absolutely no-brainer. And I don't know, maybe we go with some, yeah, we go with this. Or let's go with a 1.6 to 1.8. And you get, let's put by market cap. I forgot how to do that. USDT? No. How the heck I put it by market cap? I totally forgot that one. Yeah, never mind actually. I don't think I can do it on the trading view. I think I can only do it on deck screener and yeah, whatever. But I can see 1.6 to 1.8 easily retested here. So that would be a 8.6 X of your portfolio. So $2, it's easy target for say. Just my 2 cents. Not to mention 3.6 to 1.8, which is really, it's not impossible, it's doable, but it's not highly probable. But high probability, I see this one and this one. Pretty high probability here. But yeah, people are choosing to panic here. That's crazy. That's crazy. And I really think that we didn't even started to pump with what I know it's incoming, what I expect from the market. We didn't even start it. It will be slowly, 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 then all of a sudden. So slowly, 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 retest, and then all of a sudden. That's what I expect the market to behave. Guys, 20 likes. I don't like it. I don't like if you don't like it. We are 65 people here. Let's make it to 50 likes at least. And now let's bang the plans here on Bitcoin. I wouldn't delete them because I don't want to make them from scratch. Usually for educational purpose on VIP, I'm just deleting everything and making them from zero so they can understand how I'm creating my plans. Um, I said here a potential swing failure of this of this Monday high. We have a nice 15 minutes M there. Not a problem shorting that one. It's actually a setup. I'm not sure how. I mean, I wouldn't short anything else but Bitcoin. I wouldn't touch altcoins or Ethereum because the risk to reward ratio it's absolutely insane right now on altcoins. And if you catch a nice entry like we have on TIA, um, we have an entry from around this level, and you're trailing that specific position, man. And this one goes to $10. I think easily can go to $10. You have a 64R. You don't need anything else because one trade like this can make your portfolio 15-20% higher. And that expansive wave, it's coming. You might think it's not coming, it's impossible, it's up to you. I really don't care what majority thinks or what majority believes, but I know what I'm doing and I'm following my plans. But that expansion phase, it's coming. Yeah. Um, yeah, please, if you didn't repost it, if you didn't like or comment it, it's helping, guys. It's helping the algorithm. And actually, I really appreciate it. If we're going here on a 50 minutes time frame, I was really looking at the swing failure of this high more than a Monday high because you can see actually price rejected this swing failure, this pivot high, which created a lower low here. So this is just a 0.5 risk scalp with a potential 9R here. And here I'm looking for a long after we are taking all this liquidity here at the bottom into this 1 hour FEG. And even actually we can look at some VWAP on this area. Yeah, we have it a little bit higher than I like it. But we can easily go a little bit below it and then reclaim. Also, we can see we have a nice range, a nice ascending channel, sorry, formed here. And yeah, the bullish structure is there. I mean, you know, we need 3 points to define a range. We have low, high, low, higher, high. So now I'm expecting if we dump around here to be just a higher low. Yeah, so that's why I will take this this long here. We have a more steep channel here, which I observed. If the price is really bullish, it will hold this one. And for example, we go and violate this 15-30 minutes FEG, where I will get risk free, and then actually we'll pump something like this and swing failure this pivot high, and this one. A lot of people are getting off guard when the price is dumping and saying, "Man, I didn't book the profits." Well, hey, Farmer John. Hey, brother. Hello. You didn't book the profits, and you're waiting for me to tell you when to book the profits and stuff like that. I'm not going to do that. I mean, I'm going to say once, like I said last night, and like I said this morning at the swing failure of this high, guys, I'm taking like 30% off my positions. I'm taking some profits here, paying the trader because I have too much open profits. But I'm not going to babysit because my role here is mostly to teach you how to do it. I'm not going to babysit you in the way to go on your exchange and then execute it for you. That's not the way. And I really don't want to do that. And furthermore, I don't want to explain myself on countless numbers of time why I'm doing that or why I'm doing that, or I'm doing a plan each day and I'm following my plan. That's what I'm doing. Nothing too fancy. Each day I'm doing a plan and I'm following my plan. If my plan fails, I'm eating the stop loss. If my plan is triggered and is looking good, then I'm making money. Easy, easy. Yeah. All right. So here on this scalp short, I'm looking for making it risk-free around here at this trend line low and FEG violation, 90, 98 actually, 99. I will have like 2R until then. Yeah, 1.92. And definitely I would be looking for a bounce around daily open swing failure of this equal lows, because if we look at the waves here, swing high, swing low, actually we can have a more logical bounce. It's around here at 61.8. And daily open. And I think there is a pretty high probability for the market makers to just leave this liquidity for later on. I don't know, some events, some news, some fuckeries, but they are building liquidity, and that's always a clear sign that the market wants to go for that area. And for example, here, I think maybe at New York, if we get it, I will try to scalp long this 61.8 swing failure of this lows, which created a new high, and then maybe target the next area of supply. Easy or not? I don't need the EMAs right now. Plan is pretty easy. You just have to follow it accordingly. Then let's go on Ethereum. Let's make it from scratch because I don't have a plan on Ethereum. I just have my plan on Bitcoin. And let's save everything because I will end up deleting them, because maybe someone will ask me something and I'll want to go through the process. Maybe some Cap1 students might want to ask me something about them, and then I'm deleting them to explain why I did that specific thing or another. All right, perfect. Ethereum. All right, let's take this off. Ethereum. Ah, guys, I saw a lot of people with some stupid trend lines that fit their bias. I don't know. I saw some crap like I don't know, like this and something like this, and that's why it's going to zero. And I really don't want to go over that shit because it has absolutely no value and it's bullshit, straight bullshit. I'm going to show you something. You have the initial channel. You can see 1, 2, 3.4, 1, 2, 3, 4 points of demand. Yeah, double the channel so you can get the previous high. Okay, double the channel. You can see 0.5 is perfectly tapping as supply. Guys, keep them simple. Stop wasting your time with crap analysis, please. I mean, when you see, I don't know, stuff like this, and that's why it's going to zero, and man, it's so bad that we'll do this. It will go negative 300. You will have to pay Vitalik Buterin money for the dam that will occur. Oh my God, man, it's really yeah, it's crazy. Keep them simple. Let's not speak about that crap anymore because I absolutely hate it, and it's no purpose on speaking about that crap. All right, let's look at a little bit at volumes here. We already see that we reclaimed a big cluster. So this is the local POC, a big S&R cluster. And I mentioned this on VIP. Look at the previous week and on premium. Look at the candle close above the previous cluster. And look at the next one at 3,000. Yeah. Here we have thin air. You know what will happen here with Ethereum? It will fly through this level at $3,000. So most likely we'll have a big short squeeze. All right. Let's go back here. You know, I publicly said, and I know Bukur and some other guys, they are long with me on this one. I said, guys, I'm taking this long, and I took a spot. I bought a big chunk of Ethereum just because it's the easiest trade. Not the easiest, the highest probability trade that I see for 2025. Ethereum, new all-time high. Guys, I'm repeating that day in, day out. It's the highest probability setup that you can take. If you think the other way around, good for you. I really don't care. I don't care about your opinion, your crappy trend lines and stuff like that. New all-time high for Ethereum remains the highest probability setup that we have on the table. All right. So that basically it's around 114% free money from your allocation on Ethereum. Free money. All right. Let's look a little bit, zoom a little bit in. Let's look at this one. And let's put some zones here. We have this initial one here, which price has to flip. And then we can look at this one. Let's go daily. Let's delete this long. And we can already see that with swing failure this low and it acted like support. What that means, it means that the high of this low, which was swing failure, the Friday low, it's coming. That means 2.8 thousand is the target here. Then, if you really want to look at some supply, it's this FEG here on daily, and this weak to the downside. Here we'll have some troubles on Ethereum. Yeah, well, it's high above is not helping me too much right now because I want to scalp until we get there. So it's absolutely useless for me to stay with my hands and wait for this level while I can make lots of money here. All right. We have a good demand on this yellow line. Let's go lower time frame, 4 hours. We have the confluence here with the 200 HMA. So you can see already the price is taking it as resistance 1, 2, 3, 4 times here. 3 times actually. What's happening, it's a compression range. If you go on 50 minutes, you can see the price is compressing around here, 1 hour. So there is a probability for us to put a bigger candle, something like this. When you have a compression range, that's what usually happens. And that's what I'm expecting. And for the price to go here. I see Ethereum way stronger than Bitcoin at this point in time, way stronger. Well, this one it's out. This one is not out yet. So we're not out of the woods, to put it like that, from this downtrend channel. So we might get a rejection here. Okay. Let's see, daily. We are well above Monday high. We actually might take it as support right now. And definitely want to have your Monday low. And have the alarm on Monday low because you will forget about it. And you'll say, why I have this one here? It happened to me. I mean, I was doing some other stuff and I was like, man, why the alarm is popping? What I need to do? So I don't know, you can even edit your alarm, I think, and write a message like long the shit out of it. Yeah, it's helping. And here, actually, as I mentioned earlier, we already flipped this area. this horizontal key level. That's why I'm expecting I'll do 15 minutes maybe. That's why I'm expecting actually Ethereum to really hold all these lows that we have around here, and that makes me think that we look from a fee perspective, we can actually get a swing failure of these lows maybe, of these equal lows here, and I will look for something like this, or even these three equal lows. Let me check a little bit here. I would look for something like this. Where is my daily open? Yeah, daily open, swing failure, FEG violation around here. Yeah, I like this one. So a 3.17 R, pretty nice one. Then sweep the highs once again. I really like it. Yeah, I like it. Let's put an alarm here. If we speak about, mm, I mean, yeah, we can take it like this, actually. But I don't like the fact that I don't have a confluence with the 0.5. This one fits way better. I mean, this week can get on exchanges. I know this kind of weeks they are higher or lower, so that's why I don't like taking those high volatility weeks as a channel confluence. So I would stick with this one because I like the 0.5 reaction of this upward channel. You can see 0.5, 0.5 acting pretty nice over here. So that would also fit about a bit too high for my taste. Yeah, I'll be looking for something like this, either this one or around here. I mean, this was the main plan that I posted yesterday, and we didn't have the feel. Well, a retarded trader seems like the short wants to give me the partial take profit here. Let's see how it reacts on this 1 hour FEG violation, because I think the price will bounce here. So don't be stupid on letting the profits on the table on that area. Don't be stupid, because technically speaking, a high time frame FEG will create a bounce. That will mean that we can swing failure all these highs. Okay, 1 second. I need to be sure that I'm taking partials. All right. Well, I don't want to short. Definitely, I don't want to short Ethereum. So let's go to the next ones. Altcoins. Well, guys, I really don't want too many altcoins requests today, please. Everything is looking good. Absolutely everything. All right. 4 hour close is damn strong. I even posted yesterday on premium and on VIP. I posted what about Sol? I said, oh, everything is looking good. Don't ask me what about Sol. I don't think I'll take too many requests, but just look at this. Yeah. So this is the performance cumulative profits of altcoins against Bitcoin. What you can observe here. Yeah. So for real, everything that you need regarding altcoins, you can look at this chart, and it will you will understand everything. I'm saying I'm not. Oh my God. Let's check my list here of strong altcoins that I might look into, and let's check a little bit total tree, because I didn't took a look at that one. Oh damn it! Look at this squiggly line. Look at this squiggly line. 1.43 trillion. Who would have thought that we bounce off this area? Everyone said, man, it looks nasty. Look at that M. Well, you guys, you didn't heard about ABC corrections in a sort of a bull flag pattern. Everyone is, no, it's biased. Just because you want to fit your bias, you are blind to what's happening actually. After a strong movement like this, I'm always saying that on when I'm trading and when I'm live, just put the inverse scale, all right? After a strong movement like this, almost never, who can tell me? Because I say this thing day in, day out. Almost never the initial low, which was created by the impulsive wave, it won't be the last low. Almost never. Look at this one, bounce, boom. Yeah. So why would I think that it's actually the this one is the top or the bottom? Yeah, because I inverted the scale. It's stupid. Go and learn proper TA. Go and learn patterns. Stop listening to people. All right. Someone asked about Solana. Well, Solana is looking very good on daily. It's having some problems here, some local resistance. We are not out of the woods yet, but definitely it's not looking bad. And you guys started. I just said that everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. Look at this reclaim here. Basically, we reclaimed inside the range. What that means, it means that technically speaking, the highs are next. So Aave 359 is next. Yeah, simple. So Aave incoming 40% pump. This one, pretty nice. It reclaimed. That means it will go here and here. So if you want to long run, let's check it out. Reclaimed actually. So easy target on run $2. If we reclaim this blue line, actually we see that it took it as supply here for once. So if we see that the price is reclaiming and makes some nice W, then you target this one, $2 easily. But we're not out of the woods yet with rune. So let's put an alarm around here. Maybe I'll take a THG if we reclaim this area with a target here. Okay, start with, let's go. Start with your request, guys. Stark, I don't like the fact that it's not reclaimed yet here, but what I like it's actually it swept the listing price. Usually the listing price is one of the most important areas where you want to be the coin, like this kind of coin. Uh, let's hear more requests. Let's hear more requests. I saw a nice dump last night on R wave. No, not last night. Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday actually. And I bought some AR because with swing failure this pivot low. I like AR quite a lot. We might see some supply around here at 11.53, but it's looking good for higher. It's actually looking good for higher. Weekly time frame. You can see actually we didn't invalidate the weekly wave, so we have something like this. Yeah, the correction was really tough, but this one can easily melt faces, something like this, in the upcoming rally. So don't sleep on them. Just my 2 cents. Don't sleep on them. Zeal. Man, this range is forever, but I would wait for the reclaim on daily above this area here. For now, even on 4 hours, taking that resistance, so we might see a little dump. That's a good area to load, and then if it reclaims, it can look even better. It's tricky, this area. A lot of altcoins, they are in this spot. H bar. Man, I know meme coins, I absolutely hate them. I make good money with meme coins, but I hate them, everything that it's meme coin. From my point of view, actually, those coins should not exist. All right, seems like I had a little issue. Now this should be back, or the OBS. It says disconnected. Can you guys hear me? I hope that everything is fine. So if we look at from a 4-hour point of view, it actually H bar, we displaced this previous SNR and it took it as support. So we might look for higher on H bar. It's looking very good. This 4-hour W here with a swing failure of the equal lows. We have a nice bullish order block retested in here. And now we can actually look for something like this for the range highs for 27. So we can have a little pump depending. I would go on 5 minutes and hunt some TAG entry, something like this. Um, all right, let's go on the next one. I spoke about BMX. Haven't I spoken about it? I like BMX a lot. And I bought at this area. And I'm expecting to sell at around 88 cents to 9 cents maybe. Depends on how the aggressive the move will be. Dion. Dion. Well, I have some entries on Dion here, you can see. What I don't like is that Dion it's a little bit too overcrowded as a trade. I see a lot of influencers posting about Dion, and I don't like that kind of thing. Same like Rio. I really liked Rio and how it behaved, the rally that it had, but I mean, look at this 16,000% rally. And do you think that the influencers who were shilling it here, 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 they kept it? No, they sold the crap out of it. So actually, this one needs a real cleanse, maybe a swing failure of these lows, and I'll be interested. Yeah, AR, I'm pretty bullish on this project. It's looking very good. Let's see Sol when it was at 11 bucks. Yeah, it went for this initial consolidation here. This is what will happen to altcoins in the upcoming period, and they don't get that. Yeah, it's looking like that. Exactly. Look at these 3 equal lows here. The retest of, not this is Rio. Uh, Actually, it can go a little bit lower. You can see I'm looking for this box area, swing failure of these lows. But I already added some R wave to my. It can easily do something like this. So it didn't swept yet the lows. We'll see. Maybe it doesn't sweep them. Pepe, I wouldn't invest in this one. I would just scalp it. That's all that I would do. We have lots of liquidity here. Most likely Pepe it will go for them. I enjoy scalping this one because it's respecting the levels pretty nice, but that's all. Nothing more than that. This is the AI XBT coin, or was this AI 16Z? Yeah, it had a nice round bottom there. It had LJ and everything that you can ask for around here, but it's gone. Now I would take profits. I wouldn't sit if I'm trading, I mean, not on investing. Yeah. So maybe a retest of this area at 46 cents, 45. But I'm not interested in this one. Yeah, here or here. I would add something. I would be careful a little bit in the upcoming 24 to 48 hours because everyone is now, when everyone is getting bullish and quite aggressive, that means we can get a shakeout. And actually, you can see we have swing low, lower low, higher low, higher high. Sorry, basically we have a bullish market structure shift, but we didn't have the retest of that breakout in order to create a higher low. So market will dump at some point in order to create that specific higher low. Yeah, it can grow. I really don't care about AI 16. It's just another shitcoin, Andrei. Just another shitcoin. Nothing too special about it. Never fall in love with an altcoin. Seems like I was front run here on my $4 level for 40 cents. Be careful here because we just violated the weekly FEG. If you look at this one, and we can get a nasty rejection, which we already have. Usually, before price is breaking out, it starts the accumulation phase. And you can see actually we are in a range right now. Yeah, and a lot of altcoins will be doing this because we will reject from the violation of the weekly FEG. Let me show you some. TIA, for example, we might reject here. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah, we can have a nasty rejection here. It's inevitable. It's actually healthy for the price action. But not too many people will understand that. Yeah. And if we're looking at this channel, let's see. We can be looking at a potential reclaim in the. I'm not taking shorts on altcoins, Andre. Here would be a good area to reopen a long, you can see. And I think I will take this one. You put it like it's guaranteed that it's going down. What I'm doing here is TA based on probabilities, Andre. Why you put it like that? Short it if you know it's going down, then take a short if it's going down. Well, everything is probabilities. Whatever. Uh, Byte. Same stuff here. It will have a slight resistance around this area. That's why I'm not saying, I'm saying that we are not out of the woods yet. Here, when I did long, you guys know I took about 17 longs. I'm taking profits around here because I have too much open profits, and we are approaching a core key area of supply. 1 hour, 30 minutes, we can reject these areas, something like this, and then go and retest the 61.8. Maybe here, yeah, whatever. You get the idea. So don't become bullish at local supply, guys. Ooh, I like this area around here. Ah, CRV target. Well, If we speak from a range perspective, I can easily see $5 retested. That would be an 8x from here. 8x is easily doable. And actually from the bottom, it's around 24x, which is a good target, I think. But 8 to 9x is doable here on CRV. And you don't need a new all-time high, or maybe even this one here. And it would be a 7 to 8x. We go back to Wu. Same stuff here on Wu, yeah? So we need to be a bit careful here at the highs, because until we break out, as bullish as I am, and I've been bullish, but now that everyone is looking for longs, they are usually looking for longs at supply. And that's why I think we will dump a little bit to shake out people on daily open, or maybe Monday mid-range, or even weekly open here. And what that mean for altcoins? Well, it will mean exactly the same thing. Maybe not that strong of a retracement, but I can easily see a shakeout on TIA until daily open or Monday mid-range here at 61.8 easily. And here I will look for some longs. That's why I said take some profits, guys. Take some profits. Don't be the public. Don't be the public, please. Peer. I really like what they're doing on Peer. It has to reclaim this. Damn it! It has to reclaim this high around here, and then it will be looking very, very, very good. As long as we stay above this line, technically speaking, we can speak about this area. So from a double standpoint, easily we can get a double on Peer. Easily, yeah? 125. So from $2 to 4.6. I can easily see that target hit. One second, let me take my partials on Bitcoin. Go on, do a capitulation week on 1 minute. Fast week to the downside. Can do it. There you go. I took partial, guys. I took a partial on Bitcoin here. Up to the market, what it does next. Let me notify VIP. No, it's not private. It's public. It's made by Spaceman BTC, so just check Spaceman BTC. I'm risk-free on my trade, guys. I'm risk-free. I don't care where it goes next. I'm risk-free. All right, let's get back to our ranting. Now I'm interested if we reclaim this area. Let's put another alarm here at daily open, a little bit above daily open. All right. And we see actually TI it's quite dropping here because we deviated under this previous high. We are up 1 hour and some minutes here. I'll take 2 or 3 more requests, and then I want to focus on trading because I think we can get some nice trades here. I want to pause them for VIP, and I need like half an hour to focus and just type down my plan. Let's do it here too. So for example, I think I'll take this long here on TIA. For a scalp short, I'm already short here. I'll look for a scalp long here at maybe at the New York, but if I don't get this scalp short at so for example, if the price is still dumping until the New York Open, I will not take it because usually there is not enough order flow for the price to reverse before London opening, New York opening, and usually the order flow is just going lower and lower and lower until you get your opening, and then manipulation and smart money they are reversing. But until then, I'm glad with this one. I'll take this long. Ethereum, let's go Ethereum. Yeah, I'm looking for a potential. Let's go 15 minutes. Let's give me, okay, not this one. BTC, give me the levels. All right. So I'm looking for a long here at daily open. The fib levels are quite difficult if you look at this structure. So I would not necessarily take the structure relevant for my fib levels. But I want to see a cleanup, like an aggressive cleanup here. Maybe in the 61.8, I will take this one if I get a chance. Or maybe even this one at daily open here, the swing failure of this equal lows in the FEG at daily open. I like it, yeah, something like this. We'll see. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, we have TIA. Let's go for the next one. I would like to long Tau a little bit. Man, Tau should not reclaim under this previous month high, otherwise it can get really nasty for it if it reclaims under that point. Maybe swing failure here. Yeah, I like this one. Let's put an alarm. Let's see Aptos. I don't like the fib levels. I don't like the fib levels. This one can be interesting. I don't like the fib levels. I like the fib levels. So maybe some long around here, even the violation of this FEG. Let's wait. So let's delete everything. Yeah, I like this one on Solana. I like it a lot. I will take a long here. 2.28. All right. Well, this long played really nice here. It was indeed the range. It took a little bit more than expected, but it did play out. Doge, let's see Doge. Maybe I can get something on this one. I don't like the level. Maybe here coincides about with this horizontal level. Not great, not terrible. And Trump, yeah, basically I'm waiting for this one. Yeah, swing failure of these lows. Those would be my plans for today. I'll take these longs. Let's see a 61.8 here. Falls a little bit too. Maybe I'm looking more at 38.2 with the 0.5. Yeah, those lines. Yeah, I like this one. And this horizontal level here. Someone asking about beta. Let's see beta. Well, we bounced exactly from the level that I was looking at 0.5 there. Yeah, I would be looking around here at this key horizontal level. But I don't like this FEG here. No, no, no. So that would put me more to a 78.6 kind of area. Yeah. So I would look for a long on beta here. Even we speak about this channel, maybe. We can stick maybe with the swing failure of this low, something like this. It depends a lot on Bitcoin and how deep it wants to dump. That's the idea. Let's put an alarm here at this equal lows. All right, guys. I'll take a break. I'll go make some coffee because I didn't drink my coffee. We have some setups. We already made some money here with a partial here on Bitcoin. Plans are made. I have a lot of setup to play. A lot of setups to play. I think I already framed like 10 setups if I'm not wrong. Now, you can see already that Bitcoin is bouncing off this a little bit too steep and parabolic trend line for my taste, but it's bouncing. Yeah. I'll just take a break. Alarms are set, setups are in place, and I'll just play my plans, day in, day out. I really don't care about any opinions or anything like that. Just play your plans, guys. Those plans will make you profitable. If they're not making you profitable, then look to plan better. That's the idea. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Also, I received a lot of questions in that regard. So if you really want to join our community, you have the link on the description. Join on Crypto Traders Arena Discord. Furthermore, if you want to join VIP or Capua 2 or 1, you have every detail out there. For Capua 2 and 1, I think it's closed for the moment, and we are not onboarding new students anymore. For VIP also, it's closed. We'll be opening on March 1st, so in about 3 weeks from now, we'll be opening. So, I mean, it's the moment to push the pedal, and the environment is insanely good, insanely good. Market structure levels are respected. And let's push the pedal, guys. Let's push the pedal. Only this week. There you go. Thank you very much, Paul, for confirmation. We have the late registration uh, only until this week. We have how many? 3 more days, 4 more days, and it's closed. So if you really want to get into education, and actually it's a loophole because you can get in VIP too with Capua too. So if you want to get in VIP, you can actually get a Capua too, and it will give you access to VIP. Capua to automatically give you access to VIP. But technically, yeah, VIP it's closed. Thank you very, very much for watching, guys. It was a really nice live, and we have a lot of setups here that we can play. A lot of good levels that we can watch at, and we can make some good money. Thank you very much for watching, and in 4 hours, I will be live with PJ at London session, and we'll be hunting some potential plays. Thank you very much. Bye bye.